all, I'm Monica. Thank you for tuning into my channel Moni the Book Girl. So in today's video, I'm going to share top 7 self-help books that will change your life no matter how old you are. But always remember that कि कोई भी सेल्फ हेल्प बुक आपको सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट में हेल्प नहीं करेगी if you are not willing to do the work. The books that I'm going to share with you today will definitely give you the tool to improve your life, but you are not going to see the results unless you take the time and make an effort to apply the principles, the lessons that these books teach you. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So my very first recommendation is the most famous one, Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. Atomic Habits is one of those books guys जिसकी 3 million से ज़्यादा copies sell हो गई थी in less than 3 years. इतना ज़्यादा इस बुक को लोगों ने पसंद किया था. And making a habit is the toughest thing to do, but this book gives you 4 simple laws which helps you to set and maintain good habits. I think it's a life-changing step-by-step manual for changing routines. It's a must read. Everyone should read at least once in their life. If you really want to change your way to live your life, then this book is surely for you. My second recommendation is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson, a book that will change your perspective towards life. I think it's a perfect book to gift your loved ones who thinks too much about anything unnecessarily and gets affected by everything whatever happening around them. This book actually teaches us to focus on the larger things that actually matter in our life and do not care about the petty stuff that has no meaning in our life. For example, life में हम बहुत बार ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए स्ट्रेस लेते हैं जो कि हमारे हाथ में है ही नहीं, जिन पर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, जिन्हें हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जैसे कि लोगों का माइंडसेट, लोगों के नेगेटिव व्यूज़ हमको लेकर के. तो इन सब चीज़ों पे हमें फोकस नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करना चाहिए जो कि लाइफ में एक्चुअली मैटर करती है. सो रीड दिस बुक, change your thoughts and change your life. Now my third recommendation is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It's one of the best books related to human relationships. It's full of useful tips on how to interact with others and make more happier and healthier relationships with people. I think it's a book for everyone. We all are surrounded with lots of people with different mindsets and behavior, and we actually don't know how to deal with different personalities. But this book will definitely make you understand human nature and will teach you how to make your relationships smooth and happier. So guys, my fourth recommendation is Good Vibes and Good Life, How Self-Love is the Key to Unlocking Your Greatness by Vex King. It's a self-help book that is primarily based on law of vibrations which affect our entire being. इस बुक के कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको याद दिलाते हैं द सीक्रेट बुक की, विच आई ऑलरेडी रिव्यूड इन वन ऑफ माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज. इफ यू हैवंट वॉच दैट वीडियो, तो आई विल गिव यू द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. And in this book, author talks about important things like self-love, humiliation, failure, meditation, empowering thoughts, and living a great life. It says everyone has their own set of struggle, but what is important is to be consistent in your life, is stay positive, hopeful, and believe in yourself. There is nothing more beautiful than self-confidence. So if you don't love yourself and you are underconfident, then get this book and do yourself a favor. My fifth recommendation is Eat That Frog, 21 great ways to stop procrastination and get more done in less time by Brain Tracy. Here, eating a frog is a metaphor used by the author for tackling your most challenging task, which is having the greatest impact on your life. In this world of digital distraction, this book explains the techniques to remind yourself what is most important and protect yourself from what is least important. So if you are struggling with procrastination and wanted to learn time management, then this book is surely for you. My sixth recommendation is Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Cal Newport. Deep work is the ability to perform or to focus on a complex task without being distracted. In this strong self-help book, author provides several practical suggestions for focusing on what matters most in our daily life and uses modern distractions like internet and social media, which makes it a very relevant book for current times. It's totally worth reading and will definitely help you to make some drastic change in your schedule. So my seventh and the last recommendation is The 4-Hour Work Week. Escape 9 to 5, live anywhere and join the new rich by Timothy Ferriss. It's a very practical non-fiction book for 21st century for aspiring entrepreneurs with links to the websites containing useful information. This book provides you valuable tips for being more efficient and gets best result with minimal but smart efforts. I think it's a wonderful book to read which show you the importance of time management and enjoying life along with working. It's highly recommended, guys. I think this book will change your perspective completely. So guys, these are the top 7 self-help books according to me that will change your life and will help you in self improvement and will change you as a person. तो इनमें से कौन सी बुक थी जो आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ रखी है और कौन सी बुक है जो आप इस नए न्यू ईयर में पढ़ना चाहेंगे? प्लीज कमेंट करके मुझे जरूर बताइए. सो गाइज, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप यू लाइक टुडेज बुक रिकमेंडेशन वीडियो. इफ यस, देन don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's make everyone a reader. We'll meet in the next video soon. Till then, keep reading, be safe, be happy. Lots of love. Bye bye.